What's going on, beautiful people? My name is Orange is AI, and on this channel, we give beginner-friendly tutorials on how to navigate this crazy world of AI. So let's dive right into it. As you see, the first image that we're going to kind of work on and model things after is this right here. This person is not a real person, but they look real. Look at the hair, look at the imperfections, look at the skin, the lighting, all of these details is what makes an AI image really stand out and make it really seem like it's actually a real person, but it's not. So how to create a realistic AI image. Today we're going to be using a platform called Higgsfield.ai. What Higgsfield.ai is an easy tool that lets you create realistic, high quality images using AI models. The platform we're going to be using through Higgsfield is Nano Banana. But first, we're going to go to Higgsfield.ai.com. We're going to sign in. There are free options to be able to try out. Free options are limited, so just know that. But if you just want to give it a try, those options are available to you. All right, so once we are at Higgsfield.ai, we'll see the Explore tab. You want to go to the image tool. And of course, this is a lot of stuff. If you're opening up for the first time, it can be kind of intimidating, not know where to start. We want to navigate you specifically to the Nano Banana Pro. That's an image model that we're going to be using. And let's get into why we're going to use that. Just to go through order, find a model drop down, select Nano Banana Pro, set your aspect ratio. Our aspect ratio is going to be 9:16. As you see, we have multiple different aspect ratios that we can choose from. This means it's best for, let's say, Instagram, TikTok, or if you just want to create a horizontal image like this, which what you saw in my presentation, for presentations or for YouTube. All right, so let's go ahead and click out of that. So yeah, paste your prompt right inside the bar here to be able to generate the images, but I'll give you those prompts. All right, so why Nano Banana? Nano Banana Pro stands out because it's extremely versatile compared to many other image models. It can produce realistic portraits, clean product style visuals, and cinematic editorial images, all from the same workflow. It's especially strong at maintaining natural lighting, sharp detail, and consistency across multiple generations, making it a reliable choice for creators and brands who need professional results in different styles without switching tools. A lot of times with different image models, you'll find like a plastic look where it doesn't necessarily look authentic or looking real or doesn't look real. And our goal is to create realistic AI images that can pass as real people. And Nano Banana allows you to be able to do that, and it allows you to make also like more changes within the actual photo as well, changing lighting adjustments and keeping things consistent. So it's probably the best image generator out there. So the prompt we're going to use today is an ultra realistic close-up portrait of a woman with dark, wavy, slightly messy hair. This is going to be something I'm going to link at the bottom in the description, so that way you guys can copy and paste, or you can simply just pause, screenshot, or however you want to copy this here. So we're going to copy this post, and as you see, it's a 9:16 format. And we're going to paste our prompt here. And I wanted to kind of show you guys how detailed the prompts are. We're going all the way from wearing a cream knit sweater, photographed in soft window light against a pale, minimal background, shallow depth of field. This is how intense each prompt should be to be able to get the things that you are desiring. And one good thing about just AI image generators, I'm giving you guys these prompts, but that doesn't necessarily mean your image is going to look like mine. And keep in mind, these are things that you can also adjust and change. So realistic close-up portrait of a woman, you could just as well do realistic portrait of a man. Instead of dark wavy slightly messy hair, maybe if you want them to have red hair or no hair at all. These are just good starting prompts that you can use to be able to create some realistic results. So you can create up to 4 images at once. You have different quality settings. I always keep things at 1K because I'm usually doing things for demonstration purposes. But we can also go up to 4K if we want to like create some client work or make things a final project. So let's take a look at our final image here. And this is what we have. Looks absolutely different than this person here, but it's still, messy hair, cream sweater, by the window, has all those elements. So what I want to do is go ahead and download that image. We're going to go to our second prompt here. Okay, so with the second prompt, we're going to focus on just her lips. And this is our prompt that we use. But take a look at the pro tip here. Upload the prior image as a reference prompt to maintain character consistency. So what we want to do is we want to copy this prompt, which just basically defines the close-up of the lips here. We want to delete our prompt that we had before. We want to upload our prompt that we just made, lady that we just made here. We can do that, and I believe we can just drag it there. Yep, and we can drag it there too. So we can take it there or we can upload it, and we're just doing that. We're just the image that we created before. That's what we're doing. We're gonna paste our prompt of just her lips, and we're gonna click generate. When Higgsfield, it operates off of credits. So as you see, for each image that I create, it's gonna be 2 credits. You can keep up with your credits here. 77% credits left. You could get in there just to get a little bit more detailed, but just to kind of show you how the credits work. So you can really create some really amazing images with just the basic plan. So, all right, so let's take a look. What we have here. We have a close-up of just her lips. Now we can get a little bit more in depth if we like. We can ultra realistic extreme close-up of photograph of woman's lips and her lower nose. Let's say we wanted to just say not lower nose area because that's exactly what it gave us. We want to just focus on her lips. So we can always modify the prompts to what we're looking for. And this would be great for lipstick brands, or let's say even with the bottom of the nose, like if we were highlighting a septum ring or a ring or jewelry, or even just skincare, things like that. So just want to emphasize, we uploaded the image before so that way we can keep things consistent all throughout. Are they perfect? No. Even some of the images that I created prior to this, let's say this lady and this lady, this is an upward image, but I noticed some slight differences. It's probably 98% there, but this is probably the best that we can get, and Nano Banana is the best at character consistency. So it looks like we still got the bridge of her nose, but we are a little bit more closer on the lips. So if we wanted to go in and modify that just a little bit more, just to show her lips, or it could be a situation where, hey, this is good enough. So what we want to do is we want to download that image, and we're going to upload that image into here for our next prompt. And our next prompt is going to be focusing on more of a full body image. So ultra realistic full body portrait of a woman standing in a minimal studio. And what it should do is it should maintain the character consistency of the initial image that we created here, because we have that here and we have our lips here. And we are going to click generate. And we should have our women, we should have more of a wide angle view. So you'll see more of her shoulders, you'll see more of her arms. And it should be able to keep things very nice and consistent. So that way, when you guys are creating, let's say, images for a business, a brand, even if you wanted to take the features of someone's face and just upload their image, I've created images of Angela Bassett, of Issa Rae, of Zoe Saldana. So just even of famous people or people that and you want to put them in different outfits and different scenarios, you can do that with Nano Banana. So we're gonna go just a little bit more past it while it's uploading, and we're going to upload our prompt of just the eyes here. We're gonna go ahead and bypass that. We want to just get the face. We're not even gonna worry about the full body shot. Want to show you guys that you can create multiple images all at once. This is full body with showing her shoes as well. You can see how consistent Nano Banana can be. And this is again just showing her face, not even uploading the rest of the images. And I will also say that as far as a reference image, you probably just need just this image. You can always test just to be like, okay, this is how it, I could upload this image and get different results. But just uploading the initial image should be good enough to focus on the eye or get the full body as we got here. So you guys tell me, does this look just like this person? It seems like her lips are a little bit open. Does this person look just like this person? So different things like that. And you can always make modifications here. So ultra realistic wide full body of a woman standing centered in a minimalistic studio, dark shoulders. Let's say if we want to, okay, hands in pockets, let's say arms folded. We can always modify the prompt. Simple cream shoes, let's say black sneakers. Sometimes getting started is the hardest thing, but if we can have a basis of things, then that's always kind of the best. And that's what this tutorial is for, to give you guys like a basis of your shot. So as you see, we have the close-up of the lips. We have we have a close-up of the lips, of course. We have a wide body shot. We have a wide body shot here. We have it of just her eyes. And we have a pretty good consistency all the way throughout. We have the lighting on the left side. Even in the lips, you can see the light on the left side is a lot more rich. So okay, perfect. So we changed our prompt to not have her hands in her pocket, but have her hands folded. And this is what it did. And it still gave us the consistency of the actual person. So here with here. So, and yeah. All right. AI images, realistic images, what are they best for? AI images like these are ideal for businesses because they allow brands to create clean, professional, catalog-style visuals without the cost or time of a traditional photo shoot. Companies can quickly produce consistent imagery for e-commerce, product pages, lookbooks, advertisements, and website content. This helps brands scale high-quality marketing assets faster, maintain a cohesive aesthetic, and generate more visuals on demand with full control. So these are all services that you guys can pitch to companies. Let's say people need lifestyle images. This can work as a lifestyle image. Let's say it's a hair products, skin products, a shirt. We can just as easily just swap this person's shirt out with a shirt or that a local business is trying to promote a message, or just simply just generating fresh visuals on someone's social media page. So you guys can act as a social media manager as well, a product designer. So these are all best. Realistic AI images are all best for these things. And more than anything, you're offering value and saving them money. So these are some of the images that we created here today. Again, these are all can be modified, all can be improved upon. This has a cream background. There's no reason why you can't have a more of a blue aesthetic or a pink aesthetic. You know, it's just about changing words around. But this was the goal here was to get you guys started to then make some modifications. So we did show you guys what was possible. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment below, and I'll be looking forward to reading them. And until next time, y'all, peace.